Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a clock that isn't working. First, always check the battery compartment for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. Ensure the battery is fresh and inserted with the correct positive and negative polarity. Also, gently check that the clock hands are not touching each other or the clock face, as this can prevent movement. These initial steps often resolve many common clock issues quickly and easily, saving you time and effort. Once the initial checks are complete, focus on cleanliness. Dust and debris are common culprits for a stopped clock. Use compressed air to gently clear out any particles from the movement. A soft brush can help remove stubborn dirt from the gears. Remember, a tiny drop of specialized clock oil on pivot points can work wonders, but avoid overlubrication, as too much can attract more dust and cause new problems. Next, it's time for a closer inspection of the clock's internal movement. Carefully examine all the gears for any bent teeth or foreign obstructions that might be preventing smooth rotation. Observe the balance wheel to ensure it moves freely and oscillates correctly. Also, look for any loose screws or broken springs within the intricate mechanism, as these small issues can significantly impact the clock's function. If individual repairs don't bring your clock back to life, consider replacing the entire clock movement. This is often a straightforward and cost-effective solution. When selecting a new movement, ensure it matches the old one's shaft length and hand type for proper fit and function. After replacing any components, thoroughly test the clock for at least 24 hours to confirm it keeps accurate time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.